Okay, situation 22. Given the following data for a spiral column, diameter is 800, FC prime 34. For the steel, FYL, longitudinal bar, it is 413. The same lang din yung binigay niyo dito para sa FYB, para sa ating spiral, the same 413 din yung binigay niya. Then, concrete shear stress is, you have 413, 0.99 megapascal. Maximum clear spacing is 75, clear spacing ng spiral. The minimum clear spacing of the spiral is 25 millimeters. Alright, the spiral is 800 mm in diameter, a circular spiral tayo. If the column is subject to a shear force of 680 kilonewtons, what is the required center-to-center spacing of a 10 mm spiral? Spacing yung tinatanong. So, ang spacing dito sa spiral, yung proper term niya, kung babasahin natin sa code, it is called as pitch. Ang center-to-center. Bali ko, ito yung longitudinal bars natin. Ang spiral is a continuous reinforcement na continuous po yan. Ito yung kanyang tinutukoy, spacing S or pitch. Ang proper term dyan is pitch doon sa code. The same lang sa pag-design ng spacing ng ties, kahit sa rectangles, dapat meron kang VC, then VS, ito talaga yung involved dito. Then sa VS, involve yung spacing, which is AV, FY, T, D over S. Dito siya involved. Basta it is based on shear strength. So, the flow, okay, for number 64, yung flow ng solution, you need VC. Okay, you need VC and VS. Now, for VC, for calculation of VC and VS in solid circular section, ang effective depth daw shall be permitted to be taken as 0.8 times the diameter. So, hindi po siya yung effective depth natin, hindi yung ganito, no? Total diameter minus clear cover, hindi siya ganyan. According to this section for NSCP, it is permitted to be taken as 0.8 times the diameter. While ang BW is permitted to be taken as the diameter. So, BW is 800, diameter of the spiral column. Ang effective depth natin shall be taken, permitted to be taken as 0.8 times the diameter, which is 800. So, i-define mo muna yung values na ito para hindi ka mawala. Then, ang concrete shear strength, this is the flow of designing the spacing based on shear. So, it is FVC, that is concrete shear stress times BWD. So this is 0.99, BW is 800, effective depth is 640. The result here is newtons. Kilonewtons divide ng 1,000. Ang spacing is involved in the formula of this VS. So, ito po yung mangyari. Babalik tayo sa pinaka-criteria natin. Ang factored shear must not exceed the design shear strength. This is V. Itong dalawa, yan yung VN. That is what we call design shear strength. So, yung VS natin, that is why ito yung makikita nyo na formula, no? For simplicity, gawin nating equality. That becomes VU over V, then minus VC. That is why ito yung makikita nating formula. Kahit sa NSCP, ito yung formula. So, nanggagaling po yan dito sa ating inequality. Okay, for simplicity, gawin nating equal. So, VU is 680. V for shear, by the way, wala dito. No? Wala dito, hindi niya binigay. But strength reduction factor for shear is 0.75. VC is 506.88. So, meron tayong required VS. Ito po yung kailangan natin. Okay. Now, sa formula natin, we need AV. So, ito naman, no? For each circular tie or spiral, basta circular siya, AV shall be 2 times the area of the bar within the spacing S. Kasi yung spacing natin ito, diba? VS, suppose, ganyan, cross multiply lang natin. So, ang AV natin is 2 times. So, sabi niya 2 times the diameter, the area of the spiral. The spiral used here is 10 millimeters. 10 mm spiral yung pinapagamit. So, times 2 lang natin yung area ng spiral. FYT is still 413. Then effective depth is 640. Ang VS, gawin natin siyang newtons. So the result here is 103.85 millimeters. At kung babasahin natin dito, meron siyang binigay na maximum clear spacing and minimum clear spacing. Now, may ano tayo dito na lumagpas yan sa maximum spacing. Ito clear. So kung kukunin natin yung maximum center to center spacing, it is the clear spacing 75 plus diameter of the spiral pa para maging center to center. So we have here 85. Ito lang yung pinapayagan na spacing no, based sa code. This is coming from the code. Since lumagpas yung calculation natin based on VU, lumagpas siya sa maximum, then you will use this one. Gagamitin natin is 85. Okay? So, parang pang-paskam to, no? Second question. What is the minimum diameter of the spiral if the center-to-center spacing is kept at 50 millimeters? Walang criteria dito, no? Kung babasahin natin, wala siyang binigay na VU, basta wala siyang criteria na pagbabasihan. So, sa tingin ko dito, ito yung ginawa, no? Sa pangatlong tanong, may binigay siya na formula. Meron siyang binigay na formula para sa minimum steel ratio. I think yung number 65 is based din dito. Kasi kung magde-design tayo, is dapat may criteria. Lahat ng criteria is i-check. So, I think ang spacing dito, for that, ang diameter dyan is masosolve using this, the minimum steel reinforcement ratio. So, I will solve for this muna, then later on, mai-involve yung diameter. Paano ba yung magiging flow? Okay, so ito yung magiging flow ng calculation po natin. No? Yan. So, kunin muna natin ang minimum steel ratio. Kasi pinapahanap minimum diameter. Doon sa formula natin, involve ang DC, diameter of core. Ito po yung ibig sabihin ng diameter of core. The clear cover is 40. This time, magagamit na po yung clear cover natin na 40 millimeters. Okay, so as you can see in the data, notice sa data natin, wala siya dito, hindi naka-indicate yung clear cover, pero andito, use 40 mm clear cover. So again, may time sa problem, sa board exam na ang data na kailangan, isa dito pa sa pangatlong question, meron ganyan. At you may memorize this one for columns na usually ang ginagamit, ang minimum clear cover is 40. Alright, so kukunin po natin yung DC. Ito yung DC, diameter of core. That is 800 minus 240. Core diameter, dito yan, outer to outer face of this spiral. Ito po yung spiral natin. Okay, so sa formula natin, you have two formulas. Let us apply the two formulas. So 0.45, ang AG, that is the gross area of the concrete. Okay, ang AC is the area of the core circle. Now, ginamit ko na lang diameter squared. Instead na, meron pa yung pi over 4 kasi circle yan, no? Then meron din pi over 4 sa baba. Magka-cancel lang sila. So, tinanggal ko na lang. So, instead, I have here diameter squared. Ito, over diameter squared. So, minus 1, FC prime is 34. FYB is 413. Ito yung ating sa first formula. Dalawang formula natin. The second formula is 0.12 FC prime over FY. FC prime, FY. Ito po yung makuha. Now, ang gagamitin natin dito, hindi siya indicated sa board exam, no? Pero basta minimum steel ratio, given two formulas, you will always use the larger value. Yung mas malaki sa minimum steel ratio. Remember that one, no? Kahit doon sa longitudinal bars natin sa beams, meron niya sinabi sa code na larger of the two. The minimum reinforcement is the larger of the two. So, you will use this one. Tatanungin niyo, Sir, saan involve yung diameter ng spiral? Now, this is the minimum required steel ratio. Minimum po yan. So, dapat di pwede bababa niyan. So, ang volumetric spiral ratio para dito, yung actual, galing sa actual, ang formula is, the general formula is the volume of the spiral within spacing S over the volume of the core within the spacing S. This is the general calculation. So, bale, ito po yung formula natin. Ang approximate volume ng spiral sa isang buong turn, that is AS, area ng spiral, AS, pi times DC minus DS. So, parang ano po siya? Area times length. Ito kasi, it is the circumference of one turn. It is neglecting the tawag dito, the increment. Kasi ito pa yan, isang buong ikot pa ganyan. So, gineglect dito yung space in calculating the volume. Gineglect yung space, yung isang space. So, kasi napakaliit ng difference niya, no? Well, this one, again, this is the circumference to the centroid, kaya meron siyang minus ds. Then, volume of core is area of the core times the spacing. So, ito po yan. Sa isang, ito yung DC. Ito yung DC. Ito is spacing. Alright, so kung i-plug in ko dito, area ng spiral, ito po yan, pi/4 diameter spiral squared. Okay, then area ng core is pi/4 diameter of concrete core squared. Simplifying the formula, ito po yung formula. I suggest memorize this one. Dahil hindi ito binibigay, no? It is based on geometry. Solid geometry po to. So, memorize this formula. So, this is the actual volumetric strain required. The volumetric ratio. Now, this is minimum. So, ang actual must be greater or equal to the minimum. Ito yung proper inequality. Hindi siya pwedeng bumaba dyan sa 0.00988. Kaya siya tinawag na minimum. Hindi siya pwedeng bumaba sa value na yan. Okay? So, dito po natin makukuha ang diameter ng spiral. Substitute natin. Diameter ng spiral unknown. Ang DC 720. Okay, diameter spiral known. 720. Ang spacing is kept at 50 millimeters. Must be greater or equal to 0.00988. You'll get here an inequality. DS must be greater or equal to 10.72. Okay, dali lang. It is greater or equal to 10.72. Greater or equal to 10.72. So, according to this, minimum diameter, no? So, that is the minimum required diameter. So, kung minimum required diameter yan, ang pipiliin natin sa choice, based lang sa statement, hindi pwedeng bumaba, minimum, hindi pwedeng bumaba sa 10.72. So, we will not choose 10, no? Instead, yung next whole number is pinaka-applicable. You have here 12 millimeters. Again, kung babasihan natin sa inequality, ito yung minimum. You get here minimum required diameter. Our answer will be 12. Actually, pwede mong i-trial and error, no? Dapat ang ratio natin, ng steel ratio, di bababa sa minimum. Halimbawa, bigyan ko kayo ng idea, no? May calculator natin siya. Ito po yung plug in ko yung yung pi squared, pi ds squared. Suppose d is ito. Ita-trial and error kumbaga natin yung DC. Yung DS. And 720 minus, again, D is unknown. Ito yung DS. And 720 squared times 50. Magta-trial and error ako sa choices. Halimbawa, subukan natin ang 10. Calc. If the diameter of spiral is 10, ano yung ating spiral ratio? So, 8.605. No, it is less than 9 point. Bumaba siya dito. Hindi pwede yung 10 kasi bumaba siya dyan. Dapat mas malaki dito. At least equal or greater. So, hindi pwede yung 10 dyan, no? Ang pwede, kung i-12 natin, 0.0. Yung lumabas is 0.01. 1, 2. Greater na yan sa 0.00988. So, ang next whole number na pwedeng gamitin is 12. 14 pwede. Pwede yung 14. Okay? Ayan, pwede. Ang 16. Kung 16 yung gagamitin ko. Pwede din, but yung pinakamaliit na pwedeng gamitin is 12 mm diameter of the spiral. So, I will choose here 12 correctly na based sa ating inequality. That is the most appropriate diameter based on this minimum steel ratio. Okay? So, sa number 66, based on minimum steel reinforcement requirement, sinabi niya na dito, what is the center-to-center spacing of the spiral? At this time, applicable pa rin yung ating formula. Yung na-derive natin na formula. Diretso na tayo doon sa ating formula. So, what will happen? So, di ba, ito yung ating formula na-derive. So, baliktad na po siya. Ang tanong dito is spacing. What is the center-to-center spacing? Ito na. Gagamitin natin ito. Again, the same inequality po kanina. Alright? So, ito po yung mangyayari. Dapat hindi siya lumagpas, hindi siya bababa ng 0.00988. That is for your minimum. This actual must not be less than the minimum steel ratio. Again, baliktad na po. May diameter ng spiral this time. Okay, spacing ang unknown, then dapat di siya lumagpas ng 0.00988. Baliktad lang yung animation ko dito. Sandali lang. Yan. So, di siya lumagpas, bababa ng 0.00988. So, with this, kuha mo yung ating spacing. Nakuha natin yung required spacing dito. Ayan. Kinorek ko lang yung animation. Yung pagkakasunod na nagka-rumble kasi. So, again, ayan. Must be greater than this. Kuha mo yung spacing. Ito po yung inequality, no? The spacing must be less than or equal to 43.55. Take note, spacing po yan. You will round down to the nearest whole number. So, yung pinaka-appropriate dito is 40 millimeters.